This How to 1 Minute will show you how to delete website from Google Analytics. Deleting a website or deleting your Google Analytics account is really very easy process. Just follow this step-by-step guide. First of all, log into your Google Analytics, and once you are in your Analytics homepage, here click on the settings or admin. Now, if you want to delete property, then click on this drop down and select the property that you want to delete and click on property settings. Click on move to trash can. Move to trash can. And that's how we can delete a property or a website from Google Analytics account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.